that this is the uterine elevator. Now normally our open elevator, you have to put the patient in a very nice lithotomy position, then only you can do something, and then also it is not that effective. So with this kind of elevator, you can, the different sizes are available for different size of uterus, just put it in the cervical canal, and if you press, you can just elevate the uterus, okay, and then you can even fix it into position. You don't need to keep on pulling. If you want to revert, you can just put it back, so it will reverse. So because this portion does not need to be put or manipulated, you can keep the patient in a nice position and still do it. It also has a hole here, which is communicating with the holes here, and you can do your dye test just by putting it inside and doing it. Okay. Initially, I used to use these manipulator even for hysterectomy, but slowly then we have transferred on to the MyMac screw, but it has its own advantages. People who don't use it, don't use the MyMac screw, can use this to do all their manipulation from below. Then they can use the other port for doing some other retraction and all that. Problematic thing is to remove specimens from the abdomen. So this is a instrument which the Indian companies have built now, which is available everywhere, but you can this can be totally dismantled for sterilization. You can put this portion completely out and dismantle it. And where we are using it? For cutting specimens for myomectomy. Myoma, once we have removed, how to remove it? It becomes difficult sometimes to remove from the vault if they are too big, too huge. So this is the only way. Then we can use this morcellator, go through with this tenaculum. I have already shown you the 5 mm. This is a 10 mm tenaculum. This goes through the machine and you come out. The only thing which against the morcellator is that the specimen some pieces will tend to fall. So you have to be careful to remove and wash out that. And also we are using bags. Then put it in the bag, and within the bag we morcellate, in-bag morcellation. Our Eurosac bag, it's a very tough bag. In that Eurosac bag also we cut it.